Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Holly Jolly July video. Today I have a really fun shadow box for you. This is my Merry Christmas Penguin shadow box. How fun is this design? You have that sweet little penguin there. He's really happy and really excited for Christmas. He's got all of his treats and presents ready to go, and he is just galloping through the forest, probably on some ice, and just really happy that it's Christmas time. You have that fun sentiment there on the top as well. Just really festive and sweet. This project is great as a shadow box, but also would make a great card as well. I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any paper crafting fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, a weeding tool, scraper, brayer, your shadow box, foam squares if you'd like to add some dimension between the different layers, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Holly Jolly July 2025. If you're watching this video during the event, you can find the buttons to download the cut file on the event page. If you're watching this video after the event has ended, you can purchase the individual cut file from my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com, or you can purchase the VIP Access Pass that includes instant lifetime access to the entire event, plus bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing. Get more information on the VIP Access Pass in the description box below. No matter how you download the cut file, make sure to download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Resize the design. And you can see that the design has been brought into our canvas. Now I've sized this design to fit within the inner dimensions of the shadow box that I'll be using, which is 6.5 by 6.5 inches. If you're going to be using this project on a card or possibly a larger shadow box, you can change the size here in the sizing window. Just make sure to leave the proportions locked so you don't distort the design at all. I'm going to go ahead and click Make. And you can see the mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer these different pieces together. But from back to front, you're going to start with the blue, light blue, dark blue, orange, pale blue, the green, then black, then red. Now I'm just going to layer these different pieces inside the shadow box, but you can definitely use foam squares if you wish. You can even glue all these together if you want as well. If you're going to be using foam squares, I would really suggest those only behind the light blue color, because all of these other layers here need to be layered together closely, because those make up the cute little penguin. You do as you wish. I just am saying that as my own personal recommendation. I'm going to go ahead and grab my shadow box now. I've already added the little pins to the backing piece to push everything forward. And now I'm just going to go ahead and start to layer the design. And now I'll add the backing piece and close up the shadow box. And there is our cute Merry Christmas penguin shadow box. Like I said at the beginning of this video, this would make a great Christmas card as well as some Christmas decor. I hope that you like it. If you make this project, I hope that you share it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Holly Jolly July video. Bye-bye.